Midland Radio's MXT500 is the most powerful radio on the market. These 50-watt radios will bring you new range on top of clearer, crisper communication, useful for farmers working on large pieces of land. We'll show you the simple steps to installing the MXT500 into a John Deere Combine. This is the 9670 model, the last of the 9000 series of combines. These models and all newer John Deere large frame tractors, sprayers, and forage harvesters have NMO antenna mounts pre-installed on the top of the cab, so follow along. Here's what you'll need: the MXT500 radio unit, the radio mount, the microphone, power cord, an antenna, and your own drill. We switched out the antenna that comes with the MXT500 for our MXT A25 3 dB gain ghost antenna. On top of this combine, you'll find the already existing NMO mount, so we'll screw that cap off and replace it with the MXT A25 3 dB ghost antenna. The existing coax runs to the NMO mount. This is a look at the John Deere standard connector, where you'll get your power. Here, we'll take the power cables to plug into the standard connector. That way, we have the cables ready to go for the radio unit. Next, we'll screw in the mounting bracket. You'll want to make sure it's nice and tight for your radio. After it's secure, you can grab the radio unit and slide it into the mounting bracket. First, you'll plug in the power cable that's connected to the standard connector of the radio unit. Then, you'll connect the coax cable into the antenna jack on the radio unit. Next, you'll see us plug in the mic cable to the unit. The mic holder is already placed on the window of the cab, perfect for easy access. Since tractors can get loud, we've already installed our 21406 Deluxe external speaker in the cab. We need to make sure the speaker cable is plugged into the external speaker jack on the radio unit. Now, you can turn on your radio and start communicating. With Midland's new MXT500, your communication will be reliable, clear, and efficient on the farm, making planting and harvest season a little bit easier.